We are here in Tel Aviv at the Tel Aviv Stock Exchange for our second edition of Startup Europe Comes to Israel.
It's the second time that Mind the Bridge comes to Israel, and it comes on top of a growing interaction between the European Union and the Israeli economy.
We need to build bridges between Israel and Europe. So far, the Israeli startup ecosystem is closer to the US than it is to Europe, despite the geographical closeness between Israel and Europe. We need to change that.
This year we brought over a larger delegation, and specifically we brought a number of European corporates interested in scouting innovative technologies in the areas of cybersecurity, mobility, construction and smart cities.
I think it's really important for companies, large companies from Europe, to actually come here to Israel to meet CEOs and entrepreneurs face to face and have a real discussion about how you do business together.
So why we come to Israel? Israel, of course, is one of the main poles of innovation all over the world, and they are very strong in deep tech companies.
These kind of missions are very important for cities in order to create strong international relationships in a startup ecosystem which are very close to us, or at least they can represent great opportunity for our startups and for our scale-ups locally.
Participating in this event is something very interesting for me because, first of all, it allows me to meet new people that I have not the occasion to meet otherwise, typically specific corporates which are not yet operating in Israel and are not that exposed to the innovation ecosystem in Europe.
I had the pleasure of meeting the Startup Europe Comes to Israel delegation for the second year in a row, and we talked about what makes Israel a unique startup ecosystem, whether it's the talent, whether it's the capital and the concentration of capital, and finally the level of ambition, which is also mirrored by the latest mission to the moon. Israel is a very unique ecosystem, and there's a lot we can do together with Europe.